Hey everyone, I'm somewhere on the highway in Slovenia and I'm with my mom, but she didn't want to get off the bus. We just have a short break, so just want to say what we're doing and then get a water if these guys help. So we are on our way to Rijeka, Croatia, which of course is famous because it's where the modern torpedo was invented. And Mom really wanted to see the abandoned torpedo factory, so we gotta, I gotta actually get back on here because I think it's leaving soon. So we're gonna go find this factory because Mom loves nothing more than abandoned factories, which you know if you've been watching my channel.
Oh yeah?
Ready for the torpedo factory?
I'm so excited.
Yeah, it was Mom's idea to go to Rijeka for this.
Yeah,
I
just looked it up and I said, let's go to Rijeka.
I'm also going there to give a math talk at the university, so we'll pretend the torpedo factory is the actual reason we're going.
Sure.
There's some university guest housing that I'm going to be staying in for the next couple of days. I think this might be the University of Rijeka, and we're having a horrible trip here though, because the bus completely did not do a Google Maps said, and it was going to go up this hill, but it just didn't and diverted. So, you know, we're still a little sick from a few days ago, and we're not having fun in the hot, warm, sunny weather walking up the hill.
We just got done climbing up a long hill.
That's 20 minutes of climbing a hill with suitcase. Hey, that one looks nice over there. You want to climb that?
No, not now. Don't ask me now.
Kind of interesting accommodations. So we have like a desk with a monitor and a place to sleep, of course, kitchen, and this is like a meeting room or something. That's okay. That's about how to use the stove. So I don't know. I don't think I've actually seen a guest room like this one before. So we're gonna rest before we go look for the torpedo factory. Some of you watching this may be wondering what the sleeping arrangement was, and this is, you know, not like so big. So Mom came up with a good idea. So you know, we're used to roughing it. You know, we're hanging out in some you know, interesting places. So what she suggested was we alternate. One night one of us sleeps on the bed, and then the other night we have this bedding that she found in the cupboards.
And I doubled it up. I think it's supposed to go the length of the bed, but I doubled it up to make it cushier. I think it's a mattress pad or something.
Something like that. And then there's a pillow there. So I think this, I mean, it's not going to be optimal, but it could work. We managed to rest a little bit. I feel a lot better after a shower and changing my shirt. And we're going out after 7 now to look for this torpedo launch site. How are you doing?
Better. Bill's gonna wear me out.
The bus driver was nice enough when he saw me running, so he got it.
And then the poor old decrepit mother running behind.
Yeah. Running's good for your health, right?
Either that or it's gonna kill me this week.
How'd you like the Croatian bus?
Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
Either there's no shock absorbers or these are like Michigan level bad roads.
You know what? The roads seem to look fine.
Yeah.
I think you're right about the shock absorbers, I think.
It's like a Yugo bus, right?
Probably.
Cars do not seem to stop for you at the crosswalk like they do in Poland, so be careful.
In Slovenia too.
Yeah, in Slovenia. So Croatia is a wild place. Just kind of short history of this. There was a local name with last name Lupus, and he worked on some of the ideas. And yeah, you got to be really careful on this route because you could step down here and.
Okay, I'll watch.
Okay, at least we got through that pit. So just kind of continuing the story. So the local guy Lupus, he was having some difficulty fully developing this. It got a good bit of the way, and he took it to a guy named Whitehead, who was able to had more resources available and was able to more or less get it finished, and so they sent the idea to the Austro-Hungarian Empire, who was very interested, and Whitehead got a whole bunch of money from this, and Lupus didn't get as much money, but he got the title Baron von Rammer, which is known as, so he's known as the Sinker. So would you rather be known as the Sinker or be rich?
I'll be rich.
So we need to climb underneath this,
Oh,
and then jump down there.
no.
Okay, we're gonna find another way around, so
Yeah.
I'll be back in a minute. Train tracks. Gonna find some abandoned torpedoes.
Yeah, that might just go.
This place, it was constructed around the 1930s, and I can't find any information for sure as to when it was abandoned. There, I saw speculation online that it was like before the 1960s because there were some improvements in technology. So everything I've read says it is not doing very well, and it looks like it's been there for a really long time. Very silent, relaxing walk with only some barking dogs in the background. How do you feel about it?
At least it's not as hot.
Yeah, that's a good thing. It is kind of shaded, and it's about an hour until sunset. You know, we don't like the heat and sun very much. Maybe we're in the wrong country right now, but I'm way redder than I normally am. You know, I guess you had that feeling as well.
Yes.
Check out this cool octopus thing. It's on every one of these garbage cans. He eats paper.
There's a giant octopus inside, and you open up the lid, and a tentacle grabs it from you and takes it in.
That's a good idea. Yeah. Way to go, Croatia. I like this idea.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so I got my GoPro temporarily confiscated, so I'm doing this walking with action mode with my iPhone, and hopefully the guard didn't steal the camera. I'm kind of have this feeling he's watching me now. I don't know, but
Yeah.
we ran into it here. Yeah, so guys, tell me how good the video looks with this with action mode. I haven't really tested this much lately. So hopefully it's stabilized. We're not going to have any resistance to wind, so this is, yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, it's kind of impressive.
Yeah. The guard warmed up a bit when I started speaking a little Polish and Russian, even though I don't know any Croatian. It's like, speak Croatian. So we got to be very, very careful, because I read that there's holes leading into the ocean.
And it looks like
Or not ocean, the sea. But
looks like they're blocking us off too.
yeah, maybe because it's dangerous.
Yeah.
See, yeah, that goes directly down there.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
I think maybe we shouldn't stay too long because I want your equipment back.
Yeah, I don't want to somehow lose that stuff. I'm not sure. It was a little sketchy, so we got to try getting back. So I was going to fly the drone around. Maybe we can try from the other angle or not, but we'll see.
Oh, did you show the ocean?
This is all right, so we're trying to find another way around. We found a kitty cat up there. I love how cats perch. Hey there. Hey. Kitty cat.
Hey, Croatian cat.
Croatian cat. Oh, I wish I had some food for it. Like it's... Hey. Oh, I hope we didn't scare it. Oh, yeah. Attacking it from the other side. You know, we came all the way from there. There's this little path here that's sketchy as hell. And I think it's probably not going to work. What? It's don't worry. I'm not going to do anything. Mom's looking away. We're not going to get swept out to sea. It's not a problem. Not going to happen. Yeah, I think it looks like if we're going to do this, yeah, there's no way. No chance in hell. There's a dog swimming down there, though. That's cool. The people on the other side. You know, there's a lot of valuable seacoast here being taken up by like industrial ruins or other sort of stuff. It's kind of shocking. So throw up the drone.
No, I'm just worried that someone else is going to pop out of the bushes and say, I want your cameras back.
Yeah, I might get that compensated as well. So there haven't been really any other guards. Just this one particular place seemed to be guarded by someone. So this is kind of just a creepy industrial area.
He didn't look that official either. You know, it's not like a guard uniform or, you know, it's just kind of some guy.
That's a good point. Yeah, maybe he actually could have thought he might just be there to steal our stuff. So he, so, all right, let's go somewhere.
Yeah.
Kind of the last little area that might connect the Torpedo place. This is where they hang the trespassers. So
like us.
Yeah. I have not seen any no trespassing signs, so I don't know.
People are walking around.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of, well, not a whole bunch, but some people walking around, and you know this.
This is interesting.
Yeah, this looks like they're switching the
like a
track because you can go to all these.
An old roundhouse.
Is that what that's called?
Yeah, when
cool.
they can switch the track, the direction that the train is going in. They rotate the track.
Cool. This is a nice little bonus if the Torpedo launch site is locked down a little bit. You can at least kind of see some rusted trains if that's your thing. It's probably safer. Yeah, I mean, my guess is that it's really at the verge of just falling into the sea, and it could actually be really dangerous for people to be in there, so they probably just locked it down for that reason. I think we've had our fair share of adventure for today.
Yeah, I'm done.
You're done, so.
I'm done.
I have to write a final exam tonight and do some other work. It's approaching, it's almost 9 o'clock, so we call it a bolt. So hopefully they'll be here soon, and we'll just kind of eat some groceries we got, and then tomorrow I'm giving my math talk at the university. I think that's it for tonight. I'm gonna just, relax. Mom's gonna relax, and I have a few things to do before my talk tomorrow. So, the place still exists, at least. I don't know for how much longer. How slow I've been posting these videos. Maybe by the time it's posted, it'll have crumbled into the sea. We'll see. But if you go there, don't obviously have cameras out. Maybe put them in your book bag so the guard won't see and take them away from you for a bit. And I guess it's probably just was locked off like that because it really, really looked dangerous. You could fall through some of the holes there and it could crumble at any time. So we're going to be here for a few more days. So stick around, see what more we have to come from Croatia, and like, comment, subscribe, share the video. All this stuff really helps a lot. And I'm going to chill out right now.